Hey, real life traders from all over the world, it's Jeremy Alexander Newsom, and there's your boy Dan Walsh, the one and only, the trading legend. That's Lake Tahoe in the background. Market's just absolutely plummeting today, and it's pretty fantastic. We're gonna check out some charts in just a little bit. Just reminding you what a beautiful day it is, and hope it's beautiful your way. Hope the weather's gorgeous. Remember to love life, live life, and trade it, folks.
We'll check out the Super Bowl.
Oh, absolutely. Oh yeah, did you? Did you like it, Dan?
Yeah, it was a good Super Bowl. Good for Denver.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Congratulations, Peyton Manning. I know you're a big follower of real life trading.
You got to go to Denver now.
I do. I am going to Denver. So Denver students, get ready. I'm coming your way. I don't know exactly when, but I'll be letting you guys know really soon. I'll hop over some charts in just a little bit. Thanks so much for watching this video. You guys rock.
Bye.
All right, thanks for checking out that video. I appreciate it. Hope you guys did enjoy your Super Bowl weekend. I absolutely did. Got a chance to tear up the town and paint it bright chartreuse last night, which is lime green for money. And yeah, had a really good time in Lake Tahoe in the Hard Rock Cafe and the casino. So thanks to everyone in that casino who put up with me and the rowdy group that we were with last night. So had an absolute blast. Didn't actually place any day trades at all today. The morning and afternoon rooms were closed today because there was a lot of real life traders traveling and on vacation and you know, in different parts of the world. So we will be opening the trading rooms back up tomorrow morning. We're getting ready to take advantage of a lot of activity that we had today. A lot of the swing trades working out pretty well so far. Here's the SPY. And let's talk a little bit about my thought process from here. So we are now entering what I thought was worst case scenario. And what I mentioned by when I say worst case scenario, I don't mean it in a bad way. I was simply saying when we did this and came up, I thought worst case scenario we would roll back down to there and do something like this. And so that's what I've mentioned a few times. And at this particular juncture, I don't know exactly what's going to happen. Truthfully, I'm going to be relatively cautious the next few days unless we keep going lower, which is fine. But today's gap on the SPY is a bearish retest gap, right? Black candle gapping down. So I do anticipate a little bit of bullishness the next day or two, maybe the next few hours. I don't know exactly what's going to happen. I truly don't know if we will double bottom or not down here and if we bounce bullish. I mean, it's possible. I'll say that. Something like that could happen. That could definitely happen. Very good buying location, same place that I try to get in some longer term, very long term positions on the 20th of January. So we're back down to the similar location. We're getting a similar candle with a nice lower shadow at a similar price. So will we bounce from here? I really truly do not know entirely, but we did trigger bearish after this little one black crow candle on the 2nd of February. We broke that. We've gone lower. We've made some lower lows, and a lot of good trades played out that way. So there's the SPY. Here's the DIA. So the Dow, a lot of bullish volume here on the Dow, folks. I mean, check this bullish volume out. It's really interesting. And today's candle is a white candle, which means it closed above where it opened, and you might be forming a little bit of a higher low here. So again, we could just continue to form something like this over the next few weeks and kind of consolidate and then break bullish or bearish. I truly don't know. I'm very neutral. We're not entering tons and tons of swing trades right now. The ones that we are in are working out relatively okay. Here's the IWM. A lot of traders in a 105, 106 bear call spread that's expiring this Friday, and a lot of other traders are in a 106, 107 expiring next Friday. So that one should be just fine. Again, the IWM volume increased today. You have another bearish retest gap. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very strong support here on the IWM, the exact same place it bounced last time. So if we retest a little bit here on the Russell 2000 and then roll over, I do think the markets go lower, and I do think the 2016 target of 8503 is a very good possibility. That's another 10 points, more than a 10% drop left in the Russell 2000. It's a big deal, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of people on CNN talking, mentioning the big R word, recession today. So it's going to be really interesting to see how all this plays out. Here's your XLE. A lot of traders in a bear call spread on the XLE, which is the 61, 62, which is right here. So that's expiring again in 2 weeks. So we'll be keeping a close eye on that. Bank of America. This is so far one of our most profitable swing trades. We got triggered in. A lot of you guys got triggered in either on the 19th or the last time I did a stock review was on the 29th. You could have also gotten triggered in the next Monday morning on the 1st of February. But either way, Bank of America working really well. $11.13 is my next target, which is, yes, another 10% drop But at this point, with the volume and everything, I don't see that we'll lose on this trade. We might not win massively unless you're exiting, soon. But Bank of America looking really good and toasty. Mobileye, ticker symbol MBLY, doing its thing, moving down just a little bit lower. And Skyworks Solutions moving really, really nicely as well. So we got triggered in on those, and again coming back down to some support. So those are the trades that we are in / kind of have been in for a while. TSO probably gonna end up canceling this one. Look how close we got to triggering in. The high of this candle was 82. Our limit sell was 82.68. So just 68 cents away from getting triggered in on TSO. That hasn't happened yet. ABT, Abbott Labs. I'll leave this one open for a little bit longer. I'm kind of anticipating something like this, a limit sell at 39.04, and then hopefully a rollover on Abbott Labs. And Intel, kind of the same thing. Ticker symbol INTC. Here's Intel, and on Intel, looking for a pullback into 29.23, short it, and then again, hopefully for a rollover down to here and down to here for the bearish trade on Intel. A lot of really big movers today, ladies and gentlemen. Tesla just absolutely getting pummeled here the last 2-3 weeks, down into the 150s. I mean, good night. Earnings is coming out this week, so it'll be really interesting to see what earnings does. But realistically, ladies and gentlemen, if it gaps down on earnings, it'll probably get bought a little bit at this point because it is such a strong break of this support. And we've moved from 235 to almost really 145. So a really strong 90-point move on Tesla in just the last few weeks since really 2016. So whatever retest comes in, big or small, looking to short Tesla's retest. Here's Netflix, ticker symbol NFLX. And there are some traders out there with some put sales on Netflix. So I do have some relatively bullish positions out there. Dean's got a $70 put sale, and I've got an $80 put sale expiring in 2 weeks. I'm looking for maybe a little bit of a retest up to 88. And again, just depending on the timing, I might buy to close that one for a loss or just try to hold on to it. Because again, I don't necessarily mind owning the shares of Netflix. Here's the weekly perspective on Netflix, and here's your long-term moving averages. And you can see recently we have bounced off the 100 simple moving average. The 100 simple moving average right now is at $77.92. So we could bounce off of that or at least retest just a little bit. So we'll see how the timing works out on that particular put sale. But anyway, Netflix is at the point where I'm looking to go a little bit short-term bullish on a retest. CRM today, and really the last few weeks, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 black candles in a row on Salesforce, and earnings still has not happened yet. You had an absolutely flawlessly, perfectly gorgeous bearish gap and go on Friday. Check that out, just amazing, and it had a really, really solid continuation today. There was a lot of traders on Group Me today talking about some of the day trades this morning. So this is a really, really great morning for day trading as well. Really solid volume on Salesforce. So it's going to be interesting to see exactly what Salesforce does on earnings coming up soon, but I'm not expecting it to be specifically bullish. Apple's still hanging down at this $95 support area. Here is the exponential moving averages, and the next time I'm looking to short Apple is going to be off of the 20 EMA on the daily chart, and maybe just a really quick scalp on the 10 EMA potentially. But again, as you guys know, on Apple, here's the weekly chart. We got the long-term moving averages on Apple, and you're just battling that 200 simple moving average on the weekly. So we'll probably hang out in this general area on Apple for a little while, something like this. And then again, I truly don't know if we bounce or not on the market and or on Apple. So I'm being very cautious. We don't have tons of swing trades open, but the swing trades we do have open for the most part are bearish. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions or stocks or requests or videos or articles or blogs that you guys want me to check out this week, feel free to email me, jeremy@reallifetrading.com. You can message me on Twitter @NewSomeNuggets. We do have a small update to the reallifetrading.com website. If you get a chance to check it out, come over to reallifetrading.com, click on articles, and you'll notice we have a new search feature. So if you're wondering, hey, I wonder if there's a new video or new article, if there's an article containing XYZ, whatever your topic, feel free to type it into the search function and see if it pulls up. And anyway, so we'll see. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks so much for watching this real life stock review. I really appreciate it. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Really excited this week to put out some great content, and I'll be seeing you guys in the trading rooms here very soon. Have a fantastic rest of your Monday, and until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. See you.